Airdrop farmers have made up to $200,000 by farming the Gito airdrop. In this YouTube video, I'm going to be telling you my top 5 Solana airdrops so you can also make 6 figures in 2024. My number 1 crypto airdrop in Solana for 2024 is Meteora. Now, Meteora is built by Jupiter Exchange, which is the ticker symbol JUP, who have an airdrop coming out in January, and it is said to be a huge one. So this is backed by Jupiter. They've also been working with Bonk, which is probably the biggest mooner of all Solana meme coins. So they have backing and they have credibility. However, their total value locked is actually quite low, and not many people talk about this protocol or farm it, which is why I think it is so interesting. So for you to farm it, what you're going to do is you're going to go on meteora.ag. The link is below in the pinned comment and the description. You're going to go on it, you're going to connect your wallet, okay? And then once you've done that, you just simply deposit liquidity into the DLMM liquidity pool, as you can see over here, or simply farm. Now, if you're not too familiar with impermanent loss, which can happen in liquidity pools, you want to go with the USDT USDC pair, because that is pegged against each other. They're both pegged to $1, so there is no chance of impermanent loss unless there was a hugely catastrophic scenario where Tether, for example, became unpegged, or USDC. So let's do a quick tutorial of how to do that. You're going to go on the link I provide you in the description, click here for DLMM beta. You connect your wallet. As you can see, I have 10 Solana in my wallet over here, and then you're simply going to choose which one you want to go to. I'm going to show you guys how you can do, for example, Sol USDC. Okay, there is a potential for you impermanent loss if the price of one or the other changes, for example, but all you do here is you add liquidity. You go here and then you choose half or whatever, and half, however much you want to do. Spot is probably the safest, and then all you're going to do is press add liquidity. Now, I don't have USDC currently in my Phantom Bank wallet, so I can't do that, but that is all you guys have to do, and you have it, okay? And then you just wait, and you're going to build up transactions, etc., and you are going to be eligible for the Meteora airdrop. My number 2 protocol for Solana airdrops to make you 6 figures in 2024 is Camino Finance. Okay, so again, you're going to click on app.kamino.finance. You can check my pinned comment or the links in the description for more details. But once you are on there, you are simply going to connect your wallet. What Camino Finance is another protocol that allows you to give liquidity, lending, so you can lend people Solana or whatever, and allows you to also borrow it. It was very underfarmed originally. It is now becoming more farmed, of course, after the Gito airdrop, where people made up to 200k, and therefore Solana protocols were on fire. Okay, guys, there is also something big coming. There's also points. As you can see, they have points coming soon, and these are going to be added retrospectively. So if you start now, you are going to be an early adopter of the network, and you are going to be getting points. Okay, so how you do it is, again, let's look at another liquidity pool. We can go on Blaze Solana. This is a big one, and this is very important because later on I'm going to show you how to get Blaze Solana, so you can get double dipping and stake your Blaze Solana against Solana, which I'm going to show you later on. But again, you can choose anything, USDT USDC, for example, which is safe. Okay, and all you guys have to do here is click on it, and once you do that, you connect your wallet, of course, which I already have, and then you simply deposit your available USDC, half, max, or whatever. And once you've done that, you simply leave it there in the liquidity pool, and you are going to be getting APY up to 7% in 7 days, which is actually really good for a simple USDC USDT stablecoin. Okay, guys, my number 3 protocol for you guys to make 6 figures in 2024 is Drift. Now, Drift protocol is a decentralized exchange with a unique decentralized automated market maker. They raised $4 million in seed round of 2021, so that was almost 2 years ago. So these guys, they have been around, so they have credibility. They haven't stolen their money and ran away like some protocols do, because they could have done that in the bear market over the last 2 years. So that just proves their credibility, and it is a reason that you guys should definitely get into this protocol and start lending. So all you guys have to do is, again, connect your wallet and then deposit funds in there. So you're going to deposit Solana. Okay, I have 10 Solana in one of my wallets. I'm going to deposit that in, and once I've done that, I can start trading. So I can also trade. This is a decentralized exchange. I can do futures with perpetuals or just spot. So I'm going to show you guys here. I can make various different trades on here with various different tokens. Okay guys, Sol USDC, all of these different ones, GTO. So there's many different things I can trade, or I can simply earn by lending. So I'm going to put Solana in. Once I've deposited Solana, all I'm going to do is deposit in here and let myself get APR. So that is easy money for me. Again, the link is in the pinned comment and the description below for you guys to start earning. My number 4 Solana airdrop that will allow you to make more money in 2024 and earn up to 6 figures is Parcel. So Parcel is a decentralized real estate trading platform, and it allows you by offering city indexes that allow you to speculate on price movements of real estate markets across the globe. So you can long or short different markets, for example, in various different cities. So San Francisco, for example, 50% are bearish, 49 are bullish. So you can speculate exactly what you think is going on. So if, for example, if there's a crisis like COVID or a war or something and house prices were going to go down or up, you can speculate on that and earn money. Okay, so it is essentially a perpetual decentralized exchange that allows you to speculate or hedge against the housing market. They've raised $11 million, 11.9 to be exact, from Coinbase and other investors. So again, these guys are super legit compared to some protocols that will just steal your money. They also have a point system which could determine your eligibility for the Parcel airdrop. So use the link in the description below for more points, and also start trading now and start depositing some funds on there now. So all you have to do is deposit some funds and then you can get started right away. Okay, and the other thing is, you don't necessarily have to bet on the market. So you can also simply add liquidity in USDC. You don't have to do any trades, and if you add liquidity in USDC, you get 3 points for every dollar every single day. So you can start building up points, and you will be most likely to earn more and more and be eligible for that airdrop right away. So do get cracking on this. The 5th airdrop that will make you 6 figures in 2024 is Blaze. So what Blaze is a non-custodial Solana staking protocol that enhances the decentralization of the Solana network. It has an enormous amount of total value logged, so it is very safe, mainly acquired with the airdrop hype on Solana, as you saw with Jupiter and with GTO. They are getting a lot of money in there. However, this platform is still tokenless. So with that liquidity, with that total value locked, they will definitely bring something out, and you guys are going to earn more and more money. So what you want to do, guys, is essentially connect your wallet, which I already have over here, as you can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to stake some Solana. So all you do is you click on however much Solana you want to stake, and you will get B Solana, which is Blaze staked Solana. Okay, guys, and what you do with that, so you get those liquidity tokens, and you can use those tokens to get your Solana back. But what you do with those tokens is you simply go to Camino Finance, so you can build up points with Camino and Blaze at the same time, and then click on this pool, and as you said, deposit both at the same time. So I can deposit Blaze stake, and I can deposit Solana, normal Solana, and Blaze stake Solana, and I will be earning more and more APR. So I'm farming 2 airdrops at the same time. So this is a way that you guys can earn more and more money at the same time. Those are my top 5 airdrops for 2024. I hope you guys do have an amazing 2024 and make more and more money in this bull market. Tell me in the comments below, what is your top 5 Solana airdrops? What are you farming right now? Are you farming on Solana, Ethereum, or on any other platform? And this is me signing off. Peace out.